Hello Fulton Virtual students. This video will show you how to complete the art journal activity that focuses on value. Recall that value is the lightness or darkness of a color. The supplies you will need today are 5" by 8" pieces of cardstock, a pencil, napkins, a water cup, paint brushes, paint, and something to put your paint on. I am using a magazine page. It's easy cleanup. So to begin, we need to section off our art card into 7 different sections. So we'll divide it this way. So what I like to do is make sure my sections are even. So I'm going to put marks at just over 1 inch. Now I'll move down to here and do the same thing so that I have 2 lines that I can connect using the ruler. Okay, now we have our sections divided. Now we can begin to paint the sections that do not require any color mixing. So that means one section will be white. Take 2 steps up and the middle section will be your color, and 2 more steps up and your top section will be black. So my paintbrushes are wet. I'm going to dry them off before I dip them in the paint. And I'll begin. Okay, so now we have our white, color, and black painted. So we must begin mixing our paint to create our tints and shades. I will start with the step just below the purple, which will be a slightly lighter purple. So cleaning my brush off between every color change. Don't want any of the leftover black to get into my new nice light purple. So I'm going to scoop a little bit of this, and I'm going to get a little bit of the white to mix. So our next color will be the one directly under the color we just made. So it'll be a slightly lighter purple, getting closer to white. So again, I will rinse my brush off, and I'm simply going to add white to my light purple pile. And that should be enough. Okay, so we're finished with our tints. Remember, a tint is when you add white to a color. So now we will begin to mix our shades. We are going to start with the color directly above the purple. So it'll go in this block right here. Clean my brush off. Because again, we don't want to put any of the white or lighter color into our darker colors. Just like we didn't want to put any of the black into our lighter purple. So now I will just add a little bit of black to my purple here. And hopefully that wasn't too much. I think I might have gotten a little too much. So I need to add back in some purple. Okay, there you have it, a value scale using paint that exhibits both tints and shades. Now remember, you must complete your card by doing the definition of value on the back. I recommend for this assignment to do it on a separate card and just glue it to the back. You can see further information about the definition page in your PowerPoint. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email your teacher. Good luck with your assignment.